Hola, hola, hola. I am here with another unboxing with Caffeinated.Joy. Keisha White is the owner of this brand and business, and I am here to support small businesses. Welcome back. My name is Shauna Hibbitts. I am an author, motivational speaker, transformational coach, bilingual early childhood specialist of over 30 plus years. Yo hablas inglés en español también. If you don't know me, I am known as the inner child whisperer. Yes. Whoosh. Thank you for another unboxing video here. This is Caffeinated.Joy. Caffeinated.Joy. We all know what joy feels like when you take a sip of coffee or a sip of tea. But this is going to be something really special. So let's check this out. Let's check this out. Thank you, Keisha. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been dying to get through this so that I can unpack this and check out all the loveliness that you have in this box. I've been sitting on this box forever. I'm the type of person that could sit on a gift. You could give me a holiday gift and I won't open it until you tell me to open it. That was the type of child that I was. A little inner child fact about me. So let's see if we can get this box open here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We got this, we got this, we got this. All right, flap. Let's see. See if I can pull it out from the side here. There we go. There we go. Oops, whoops, whoops. I'm dropping all kinds of goodies. All kinds of goodies just flew out of here. Wow. Okay, where to start? Where to start? Ooh, I got a card. I'm going to say thank you. I won't read it on the video, but I just want to thank you, Keisha. I appreciate this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. I have to share this graphic. I have to share this graphic. Look at that. Oh, thanks a latte. I love that saying. Thank you. That's so cute. I love that. I'm keeping that forever. Thank you so much. This is April's Caffeinated.Joy box. So she does monthly subscription boxes that you can get your Caffeinated.Joy from every month. And she has a theme that she runs with her brand and her business. All right. So this one was from April. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow. Fair trade organic Ethiopian coffee, origin Africa, weight 12 ounces, batch 12/2, regular. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, so we got coffee. What else do we have in here? Oh my goodness. Look at all these tools. Look at that. Corazon. Beautiful. Everything smells so good. What's in here? Something smells really good in here. What is this? What is it? This is it. This is it. This is it. Ooh, shower steamer for the shower, y'all. Very nice. Everything relaxing, aroma. I love the theme. I love the theme. Ooh, this is what I wanted to get to. I love coffee mugs. I love coffee mugs. Yay! Look at the joy. Look at the color. Look at the joy. Oh, wow. Coffee inspired subscription box. Y'all got to get y'all a subscription box. ASAP. Order from Keisha White, the Caffeinated.Joy. Because you're going to have joy. I got more stuff, y'all. I got more stuff. Ooh, Lindell's chocolates. Thank you. I love that chocolate. Is this a plant? Did you give me a plant? I'm going to do my best. I don't have a green thumb, but I will do my best to find my green thumb. Oh my goodness, Keisha, this is beautiful. Thank you. Everybody, go straight to her site, Caffeinated.Joy. All her information are going to be in the links below. I cannot wait to taste this coffee, and I will let everybody know how this tastes in my new mug. Muchas gracias, Keisha. Thank you so much. Ciao, everybody.